Hi kids, so the next question before us is resolve into factors this expression x y to the power 9 minus y x to the power 9. How do we go about it? Let's do it. Okay, so this is really very interesting. Okay, it may look a little bizarre, but don't you worry, this will be done easily. So the next thing we do is we try and find out something that is common between both the terms. Obviously, xy, they both have xy, am I right? So let's have it like this. So xy, what remains here is y to the power 8 minus x to the power 8. Alright, next, what do we do? Now this doesn't seem very nice to the eye because we would like alphabetically, x this side and y this side. So to do that, can we take minus 1 as common? We can, isn't it? So we'll then have x to the power 8, and then if we put x minus here, so we'll get this as this. Alright, why? Because minus is plus y to the power 8. Alright, now we'll not let this hang around like this, so we'll take minus xy, and now we have this one to deal with. Just looks better and more organized. So even if you would have gone with this, that wouldn't have been wrong. Alright, so having arranged this in a manner which is more presentable to the eye, so let's go ahead. Now we need to drop this down the way it is along with the sign, because there's a multiplication sign, remember, over here, guys. This is not xy minus 1. I have taken this as, so let me just put this into a curly bracket. Minus 1 was taken as common. So minus 1 multiplied by plus x to the power 8 gives me minus x to the power 8. And minus 1 multiplied by minus y to the power 8 gives me a positive y to the power 8. Alright, so we haven't tried to do anything with the sequence of the value of the expression here. So we have just changed the sequence. Now here, can we write, instead of x to the power 8, can we write in some other form? We can, isn't it? So let's write x to the power 4 powered by square and y to the power 4 powered by another square here. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into 2 is 8. So once again we have it over here, as since we know that a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b. So we try and bifurcate this into two parts. A is x to the power 4, b is y to the power 4. So we'll write a minus b, that is x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. So minus xy, and here we have x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Alright, so there we go. Now we can't do much with this, but we can definitely do something with this. How? Let me show you. So minus xy, we have x to the power 2 here 2 and y 2 here 2. Can we write for this in this order? Of course we can, isn't it? Because we know that the exponents multiply with each other if there are double exponents. So 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So the power is 4 for both of them. Here we have tried to pull in 2 and leave another 2 outside. And why did we do that? I'm sure you have understood. Okay, so this is a square and this is b square, like a square minus b square. So we need to bifurcate this or break this into two parts, two factors. So here we have minus xy, which is following us, and here we have x square minus y square, x square plus y square, and here x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Alright, simple. Here minus xy, this can be again broken up because this is exactly in this third identity form, a square minus b square. So we can write very well x minus y, x plus y, and here x square plus y square, and here x to the power 4 and y to the power 4. Have you understood? So this takes us to the final answer, and this is what the answer is. Okay, so let me write over here answer and reinforce this so that it is clear. Now if you would have gone without taking a minus, even then that would be sound enough. Alright, so that was not the big deal that we did. It was just that this would appear better if I would have written y minus x or y plus x and all that. So that was the reason. Otherwise, even then you would have been right. So xy common. So we were left with y to the power 8 minus x to the power 8. Here I took minus 1 common so that I could push y to the other side. Minus minus gives me a plus y to the power 8, and we got it, and x was pulled in here because minus plus minus. Having got this, we know that powers multiply each other if there are double powers. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into 2 is 8. Since we have got this thing appear like this identity, which is the third identity, we know that we can bring down them to two factors, x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. We did that, but we weren't satisfied still because this could be further broken down into its factors. How? Let me show you. 4 can be represented as x to the power 2 to the power 2, y to the power 2 to the power 2. So which means once again we have this as a and this as a b square, a square, which means a minus b and a plus b. These all, okay, have dropped down. Alright, so this has dropped down. Now this can be of two kinds. So x square minus y square, x square plus y square. This can be again broken down, and thus we get this, and this is how we have it. Okay. So this is the final answer. So I hope you have understood. In case there is still any query, guys, so please do not hesitate. You can always write to me. So please be open about it. Okay. So I will definitely try to solve your problem. Okay, guys. So have a great time and study well for your exam. So I'm bringing some more factorization problem. Okay, for your study. Okay. Bye bye. Have a great day.